Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be giving a quick guide on how you can quantify the volume traded on TradingView. Knowing traded volume helps you to understand the market trend and potential price movements, which is crucial for both short-term and long-term trading strategies. Make sure that you're using the correct TradingView version or plan for full chart features. So the first thing that you will have to do is select any chart of your choice, and then you will just have to wait for it to load, and then you will have to click full chart and wait for it to load. Now that you're here, you will just have to click indicators, which is on the bottom, on the top. And now that you're here, you will just have to look for volume, so go ahead and search for that volume. And then once you see this, you will just have to click it, and there you go. So as you can see, this is now our volume indicator, as you can see, and it appears below the main price chart as vertical bars. And if you would want to interpret the volume bars, so the green bar, if it's available for you, it means more buying activity, and the red bars is more selling activity, and then the height is the total volume for that time period. And you can also customize and analyze by going to your settings. So just go ahead and click your settings, and for the symbol, you will just have to adjust it to your liking. So if you want your app color to be a different color, then you can just customize anytime you want. It's really up to you. So yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.